100% motorless, 100% wear and maintenance free, zero moving parts. These are just a few of the reasons to choose the Magnetic Induction Stir by Heathrow Scientific. Let's take a closer look. The Magnetic Induction Stir's advanced coil technology produces the strongest magnetic coupling. The strength of the coupling between the unit and the stir bar is controlled by the amount of electric current that flows through the coil and the rare earth magnets being used in the unit and in the stir bars. And a strong magnetic coupling is perfect for viscous solutions. So why a motorless magnetic stir versus a traditional magnetic stir? First of all, it generates no heat whatsoever, even after hours of continuous use. This makes it ideal for temperature-sensitive samples and environments. Second, the magnetic field driving the stir bar maintains continuous constant speeds for highly accurate and reproducible results. And third, it's incredibly flexible, allowing multiple stir modes and options that work with a wide range of protocols. The magnetic induction stir is easy to use, with a programmable digital display that precisely controls the time and speed functions using a single rotating knob. And once a program is started, the speed cycle and time can be monitored, and if necessary, adjustments to the speed can be made even while the program is running. The capacity is 3 liters plus. It comes with a 3-year warranty, 2 35mm by 12mm stir bars with PTFE coating, 1 silicone anti-skid plate cover, and 1 low-voltage double-insulated power adapter with 4 interchangeable plugs. The Magnetic Induction Stir, 100% ideal for any lab setting.